Magandang umaga. I'm broker Nick Demanlig, your dependable broker, and I'm here right now in Diamond Heights in Barangay Latag in Lipa City, Batangas, and I'm gonna feature Sapphire House Model. Yan, Sapphire House Model has a minimum lot size of 120 square meters and a floor area of 98 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a patio, dalawang balcony, and dalawang carport. Ayan. So, let's view this house model. Ayan. So, ongoing construction pa po siya. So, apology kung meron kayong makikita na hindi pa finish. Pero complete po ang deliverables nito. Then, as you can see, sa exterior, this will be your 2-car garage. Okay? Ang model po ng bahay natin is, ayan, umuulan pero tuloy lang tayo. Okay? Then, okay. Okay? Then, makikita nyo, meron po siyang balcony. Going here. So, ganyan po talaga sa nag-house tour. Anything goes. Ayan. So, welcome sa ating first floor. So, complete finish na po siya. Naka-tiles, naka-paint. Ayan. Meron po siya mga sliding door. Dito, papunta sa ating car park. And then, ayan po, ongoing construction pa po ito, pero ito po yung magiging windows din. Then going here. Ayan, so, this is, hindi pa po siya finished, pero meron po siyang balcony dito sa ground floor. And this is your bedroom 1. Then this is the comfort room. Okay, then this is another comfort room, powder room po, a powder room, okay? So this is your access papunta sa service area. Okay? So tara po, punta tayo sa ating second floor. So nakatiles na po ang mga stairs natin. Wooden na po ang mga handrails. Ayan, then steel po ang mga railings. Ayan po. So, second floor. So, dito po natin makikita muna yung ating comfort room. Mayroon po siyang common na comfort room. Okay, this is bedroom number 2. Okay. Then, this is bedroom number 3. So, magkakaroon po yan ng mga windows, ongoing construction pa lang po. Pero, kahit ongoing construction, makikita niya na yung beauty nitong bahay na to. And, this will be your bedroom number 4. Ayan. So, complete finish na po siya. Ang maganda dito, yung balcony niya is common dito sa second floor. So, common po. So, ayan, malaki po yung balcony. Pwede kayong maglagay ng chairs or kaya coffee table. Ayan, ang ganda, di ba? So, ito complete finish na po, pati yung sa ceiling. Okay? So, thank you for watching. If you like to know more, feel free to contact me. And I'm gonna show you kung gaano kaganda dito sa Diamond Heights in Lipa, Batangas. Thank you!